Hey there, are you tired with encountering the 429 error or rate limit error or seeing this type of error? 429 request has been thwarted and the scenario dictated too many times or resource exhausted or something. So don't worry, we have a ultimate solution for you. In this video, I'm going to show you why this 429 error occurs and how can you fix this. So before start, let's navigate to the Zoho Books API call limits page and see that what exact they provide the API limits. So on the free plan, they provide the 1000 API requests per day. On standard plan, they provide 2000 requests per day. On professional plan, 5000 requests per day. And premium plan, 10,000 requests per day, and so on. So if you hit the 1000 API request above this 1000 API request on per day, so it's showing the 4 to 9 the rate limit exhausted the error. So how can you fix this? Let's navigate to our scenario and see that what thing you can apply to ignore this error. So you can do two things over here. To firstly, you can apply the slip module. So to apply the slip module to your dashboard, I just recommend you to navigate to this tool section. Here you can find this slip module. So slip module is nothing but delay executions for specific period of time when you configure this module. So after attaching this slip module to your dashboard, you when you click on this module, you can find this delay field. So delay field is nothing but you can provide the number of seconds you want to delay your execution. So after converting this modules to the 2 seconds, only the execution is delayed with the 2 seconds in one that one bundle is passed through with this filter, and after 2 seconds the second bundle is passed through with this filter, and so on. So your Zoho API limits is not exhausted, and you can control your API limits or API calls by this tool slip modules by applying the delay between number of seconds you want to provide. And after this, you can or you can apply the another thing to control your input limits from your source module. So I just applying this Google Sheet Watch new modules as a source module. Your source module is anything, can be anything to take your data and provide hit your Zoho Books API. So I just recommended you to set it the limit to anything you want with this, or you want to control with the API limits. So in this section limit, this is the maximum number of limits this particular module is getting the data. If you set it to the 100 or 1, it only get it the one records from it and hitting your Zoho Books API and not exhausted your API limits. So you can set this limit as per your requirement. You can set this 590 as we can see that, or 999 as we see that on free plan 1000 API request in per day or something. So basically, in the one execution, if your scenario is running once at a day, so you can set this limit like that. Or as per your schedule setting, you can set this limits as per your requirement, 10 or 20 or 50 or so on. So after applying this maximum number of limits, this only getting that number of limits in one run and hit your Zoho Books API and not exhausted your API and not throwing the 429 error. So I hope this tutorial helps to understand how can you effectively managing your call rate and ensuring uninterrupted conversations. I hope this information helps. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so never miss an update. Thank you for watching.